This video is for the rest of the simple interest notes. Let's focus that real quick. All right, so in this one, we're going to solve for PR or T. So now we're going to have to set up an equation. So Mackenzie invested $3,500 in a mutual fund at a yearly rate of 6%. She earned $945 in interest. For how long was the money invested? So here, I'm looking for the time. So we're going to fill in what we know. So the I is the interest earned. So that's $945. The principal is what she starts with. And the rate is the percentage. And I'm solving for T. So here we're going to go to Y equals. And this is how we're going to solve this equation. So left-hand side goes into Y1. And then right-hand side goes into Y2. We don't have a T button, so we're going to use an X. And then we graph it. And then we wait for the lines to cross. And if we can't see them, remember, we've got to zoom out until we can see where these lines cross. Let's go one more time here. Okay, so once you can see them, second trace 5. And then wherever your intersection, wherever your X is, that is going to be your answer. So T would be 4.5 years. All right, Mrs. Smith invested $4,000 in a bond with a yearly interest rate of 4%. Her total interest on the investment was $800. What was the length of the investment? So again, here I'm going to try to find the time. So the interest was $800. The principal was $4,000. The rate was 4%, and we are looking for the time. So Y equals, this is 4,000 and my interest rate. And then we can graph that. So second trace 5. And I would get a time of 5 years. I apologize that my calculator's not showing where those lines cross. All right, example 6. Mr. McGee borrowed $8,000 for 4 years to make improvements at his restaurant. If he repaid a total of $10,320, at what interest rate did he borrow the money? All right. So they don't give me the interest, but they give me the total. So to find the interest rate or the amount of interest, I would subtract the principal from the total. And so I would get $2,320. And so that's my I. So my principal is $8,000. I don't know my rate, but I do know the time is 4. So I have, let's see, 800, and then my X, and then 4 years. So I get R equals 0.725. Now, if you want to turn this into a percent, you just put it over 100, 0.725, and then you can alpha Y 4. Oh, that didn't work. Hang on. Oh, I apologize. You multiply it by 100. So you don't need to divide by 100. You just multiply it by 100. So you're going backwards. So which would be 72.5%. So remember, when they give you the total repaid, remember to subtract the total minus the principal to find the interest amount. So that's it for this video.